When I first started the Robinhood challenge, I wasn't that confident in my investment strategy or in my investment skills because of my past earlier experiences where I tried to day trade. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruce Wang, real estate investor, dividend investor turned YouTuber. In today's video, I got a Robinhood challenge. Let's jump right into the portfolio so I can update you guys on what's going on and what I'm going to be buying for the next week. So if you guys don't know what Robinhood is, links are in the description. Robinhood is a free trading app where you can buy and sell stocks. And this is my Robinhood portfolio. I'm at $6,691.23. So on the day, I am down about 0.25%. On the week, I'm doing a little bit better, almost 3% gains. On the month, I'm down 1%. On the 3 months chart, I'm still doing all right, 5%. On the 1 year chart, I'm up 16%. And on the all-time chart here, I'm up 8%. So today, I want to buy two stocks. The first stock is going to be SPHD. This one pays a monthly dividend. And I'm all about those dividends. So I'm going to buy, I don't think I can buy 5. I'm going to be buying 4. So today, I'm going to be buying 3 stocks of SPHD. The market price is $40.47. So that's what I'm going to be putting in. Continue, extended hours, and review. 3 shares, $121. Swipe up. I wish I had that on Instagram, but I do not. All right, maybe later. If you guys didn't know, SPHD is one of my favorite stocks. I have a lot of equity in this company, $1,133. And right now I'm down $19 on this one stock, which is all right. It's not going to be too bad. And if we look here, we can see that I've been getting paid a decent amount of dividends over the last year just holding this stock. The next stock that I want to buy before the market close is going to be PFE, ticker symbol. And it's going to be Pfizer. So Pfizer has been taking a big hit in the last week, down almost 5%. In the last month, down 17.5%. Pfizer is a great company. It's been around for a long time. I want to be investing in this company when it's on sale, and I believe it's on sale right now. So I'm going to be buying 2 shares. That is all I can afford right now, so I'm going to be buying 2 shares. And here we go, all set and all done. Buying stocks on Robinhood is probably the easiest way to invest in the stock market. There are no commissions on trades. And I need to wait for this motorcycle to go by. So there are no commissions on trades and is very beginner friendly. But after you get your portfolio probably in the tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands, you should probably look to bigger brokerages that might be able to fulfill your needs. So I've never owned Pfizer in this portfolio, but I do own Pfizer in my M1 portfolio. So like I was saying, I own Pfizer on my M1 portfolio. M1 is another trading app that is very popular nowadays. And I owned about $55 worth of Pfizer in here. I've been in Pfizer for a few months now, and obviously in the last few months, Pfizer has been going down in value. But I believe that Pfizer is on sale, and so that's why I'll be buying Pfizer right now. So when you're looking on Robinhood, you're not going to find a lot of statistics, a lot of dividend history stuff, and that's where I go to Nasdaq.com. And Nasdaq.com is a pretty reputable website. And right now we're going to be taking a look at SPHD dividend history. And then after this, I'll go take a look at the dividend history for Pfizer. So last month, I collected about 15 cents for each stock that I own of SPHD. So that comes around to like around $3, $4, somewhere in between there. And I'm not lying to you guys when I'm saying I get paid monthly just from owning this stock. So this is how I make some extra cash on the side away from my real estate investments. If you guys want to learn anything about my real estate investments, go check out these videos here or go follow me on Instagram. Quick plug. So that's what I like to do. I like to buy assets, and I believe that SPHD is one of the biggest assets that I can buy at the moment. They do have a relatively safe dividend history, and it is an ETF that invests in blue chip stocks. Each and every single month, I get paid a dividend. It ranges between 14 cents and 15 cents for each and every single stock that I own. And so at the moment, I only own around $1,000 worth of equity in SPHD, and I want to get this into the tens of thousands of dollars range. And I believe that this will start to really speed up how how much dividends I'll be making every single year, so I can keep reinvesting into the same company. So when it comes to Pfizer, I believe the dividend yield is closer to 4% than it is stating here on Robinhood. Right now on Robinhood is saying that it's closer to 3%. So let's do some quick math. I know you guys love this math. So 36 cents every single quarter times 4 is about $1.44. Divide that by the current price, which is $35.40 times 100. You can see that the dividend yield is a lot higher than the expected, and if the price of Pfizer keeps going down, I will most likely just keep buying in. The price is just too good to be true right now. Just a few months ago, people were paying as much as $45 just to own one share of Pfizer, and right now you can see that it is a lot cheaper than $45. So not only can I collect dividends and make money off Pfizer, but I can potentially in the future sell off Pfizer if the price is right. So I got a great question the other day. I'll read that off to you guys. I know you do a lot of dividend investing, but I notice your activity is all deposits and dividend gains. Do you trade stocks at all on M1 or on Robinhood, or do you just deposit $200 and click auto invest every single week? When I first started the Robinhood challenge, I wasn't that confident in my investment strategy or in my investment skills because of my past earlier experiences where I tried to day trade. And so my new strategy was just to invest in decent, good companies, blue chip stocks and whatnot. And every single week I would be depositing $100. So I did that for a few months. And then as I'm getting more confident in my investments and in my investment strategy of dividend investing, I bumped up my investments every single week up to $200. So now my portfolio is growing a lot faster from capital gains, from all the dividends that I'm collecting and I'm reinvesting. And on top of that, I've learned some trading skills. I'm actually coming out on top of some of my trades recently, especially when I sold a decent amount of my portfolio around July 29th, July 30th. And I took all those profits and I reinvested them into more dividend investing stocks. I can't predict if the stock market is going to go up or down. If anyone tells you that they can do it, they're just flat out lying to you. Don't believe them. So he asked a follow-up question again. So basically you are using M1 or Robinhood as a savings account, just putting money in and letting the dividends give you more percent back than the banks do. He hit the nail on the head with that comment. That is exactly what I'm doing. In my past video, I told you guys that I'm using Wealthfront as my high yield savings account. That decision to jump into Wealthfront was one of my best decisions so far this year. The bank savings account that I was using was giving me around like a 0.1%. And now with Wealthfront, I'm getting around 2.32% when it comes to interest rate. It is a lot better. Wealthfront, if you guys haven't signed up for Wealthfront already and you guys are looking for a high yield savings account, sign up with them. And in my Wealthfront account, I'm all maxed out when it comes to my savings. I don't need to save any more money. I have enough money in my savings account, to survive for the next 2 years. If I lost my job, if I lost my YouTube channel, if I lost all my real estate property, I'm still able to live off 2 years from my savings account. So I don't need to put any more money in there. Putting any more money in there is just going to be not efficient. So with the extra income that I have now, I'm putting that into investments, into real estate and into the stock market. More so in the real estate side, but in the stock market, I want to build up my portfolio. And as I get more confident, I'll be building it up bigger and faster. So I do look at my Robinhood account as a savings account in a way that is generating me a lot more returns than with my basic bank savings account. And that goes the same with my M1 portfolio, and that goes the same with my Vanguard portfolio. For me to invest in the stock market is a no-brainer because I'm already too invested into the real estate side. I could go a lot harder on the real estate side, but I want to diversify in the stock market, learn something new, create all this content for you guys on the channel. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, go follow me on Instagram right now. I do update you guys with my real estate investment. So this is kind of a good segue where I kind of want to update you guys where exactly I'm at. When it comes to my real estate side, I would say I'm at around 50% complete, maybe even a little bit more than that. So when it comes to my investment property here, recently the Cabinets were recently put in, and everything is coming together right now. And on top of that, I have brand new windows. A lot of the windows in my property were cracked, broken and whatnot, so I had to get all those replaced. And my contractors are working as fast as they can, but they are still really slow at times. So right now my rental property is around 50% complete. It's gonna take probably another month. So it's gonna take a few more weeks for the plumbing to get done, a few more weeks for the electrical to get done, and the basement needs to get renovated as well. So that's where a lot of the work is gonna be after the upstairs are finished. So I have a lot on my plate the last few weeks. And on top of that, I have to get new tenants for my old property. One of the older tenants are moving out. They just bought a new place, which is great. You know, they were really great tenants, nothing to complain about. I have to go through the entire process of getting in new tenants. So if you guys want to learn how to screen tenants, leave me a comment down below and I'll make that video, guys, for you. But if you guys aren't interested, just leave me a like anyways. And if you guys are still interested in watching any more videos about dividend investing, go check out these videos here. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. I'm coming out with 2 to 3 videos every single week. Hit that notification to know when the next video is coming out. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.